How to turn on Gapless on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on Gapless on Spotify. First go to Spotify and then click on this icon here in the top corner to go to the setting, of course. And now you need to find this one, Gapless. Just click on it, turn it on. This one will allow the Gapless playback, and if you want to turn it off again, just click on it. And that's how to turn Gapless on Spotify. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.